What's up, YouTube? David, Squatching Overland. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Guess who I got with me today? My brother Matt.
Hey.
What's up?
What's up?
Guess what day it is?
It's David's birthday.
And you know what else is special about today? I'm going to Beasley Knob. I'm going to earn a badge. If there is a Bronco badge, and I don't think there is yet, but if there were a Bronco badge, Beasley Knob would be worthy of earning the badge. And so, guess what? Check this out. We're going to hit Beasley Knob here in about 5 minutes, and there's going to be a lot of fun on this trail. I guarantee you. We can't wait, right? Woo!
This is the only way to this trail.
I'm assuming. I can't imagine. Honestly, it was. It doesn't seem right. It just doesn't seem right. No. It couldn't possibly be right.
Let's see. Maybe it is.
Is this the trailhead for Beasley Knob?
Oh.
Oh my God. Are you familiar with what I'm talking about? Okay. Yeah, I did a map thing and
That's where it took us.
Took us up in here, but thank you. Thanks for not shooting us. Oh my God, this stupid GPS is crazy as hell. Alright, after one slight wrong turn, based on the navigation that was set up by All Trails, I guess now we're going to trust Google Maps to get us to the entrance to Beasley Knob. According to the map, we're about 15 minutes out. We have finally made it. It wasn't easy, but we finally got here. I tell you what, there was a couple of turns we missed and Google just screwed us up terribly. But yeah, we finally made it and we're at the entrance. I can't wait to get in here. It's been probably about a year that I've been dreaming about this particular trail. So I'm really glad my brother's with me and we're gonna hit this thing, see what it's all about. Been a lot of videos out there on YouTube of this trail. So let's go have some fun, all right? Now we're officially here because we just got the warning that if you don't have your pass, you could get busted. Come on now, give me something to make me want to put it in four-wheel drive. Come on. As it's typical, I get on the trail and I gotta go pee. I mean, what is it about? Suddenly I'm on the trail now. I gotta pee. It's a Saturday and there's nobody here. Dude, this is like
in the front room. To the west.
Thread of rain. Let me might get a little rear wheel slip on this. Nope.
Wait, wait, wait. Get on.
Up to this point, Matt and I are seeing mostly pretty steep whoopties. Some of them carved out between some pretty large trees. Some of these passageways are mirror to mirror wide, constantly keeping our pace in check. What with the addition of ascending and descending climbs, it's kind of like being on a roller coaster. I'm pretty certain that there's got to be more to this OHV amusement park than this. I'm not even in four-wheel drive yet. It had better get more challenging for this Bronco, otherwise the Beasley Knob reputation as Georgia's most technical trail may require a Ford Bronco revision. Okay. That isn't fair to you Jeepers and tacos. Truth is, we haven't even gotten to the hard part yet. While it's hard to tell on this particular climb, it is pretty steep. I'm finally in four-wheel high. I'm going to regret not remembering one of those Bronco features that comes in real handy at times like these. And if you own a Bronco, you'll know right away which one I'm talking about.
Did you off the Beasley? So it's kind of hard to tell here exactly how high that is, but I did touch that. You can probably see the black paint on it. I definitely high centered that rock there. Lots of fun. Having a blast so far. Matt, you having a blast so far?
Do y'all have a map? It is absolutely gorgeous. That one, yes. That one hasn't been, is that the one from the Forestry Service? I've been coming up here for about 6 years, and it hasn't been up to date since then. No, it's, I mean, they move roads up here and stuff all the time. So everything here is basically, well, outside of this road, this is the service road, but everything here is basically the same difficulty. So as long as you're not on 93B, you should be fine.
Well, as it turns out, we were told that section 93B is where the real test of vehicle and driver exists. Since I'm not equipped with a winch, our opportunity to earn that badge is actually going to have to wait until I can safely and most assuredly avoid the dangers of 93B. Matt's lifted Jeep has a winch. We'll definitely come back to Beasley Knob soon and take on the infamous 93B.
Whew.
Well,
Well,
a rough one.
we are on our way out of Beasley Knob after probably about an hour and a half, hour, has it been? Now, there was some pretty treacherous stuff in here, but nothing that this Bronco hasn't been able to muster up. We're on stock tires, we've got a 2-inch lift, and we did high center once or twice on a rock. That's about it. It was very brief. Very brief. Thankfully. Yeah, thankfully. But it's almost 5 o'clock. We gotta find us a campsite, so I think that's where we're headed, is to try to find us a place to bed down for the night. So once we find it, we'll pick back up in the next recording.